Hello, it's me again, your data friend. You're welcome to another exciting episode of Learning Python. In this video, we will be treating Python operators. What are operators? Operators basically helps us perform operations on either variables or values. Now in Python, we have four major operators. We have the logic operators, we have the arithmetic operator, we have comparison operator, and we have assignment operator. In no specific order, we will start with arithmetic operators. So from definition of operator, we said operators helps us to perform operations on either variables or values, right? And now when we talk of arithmetic operators, these are operators that helps us to perform mathematical operations on variables or values. And we have operators like the addition operator. So the addition operator is symbolized by the plus sign, and the addition helps us to perform um mathematical addition on two or more values. So for instance, we can add a number to another number, and just as we have 1 plus 2, and when we print we have 3. And we can also decide to add another number, 20, 10 plus 20, and then we have 30. Now mind you, we said arithmetic operators help us to perform mathematical operations, right? And we can only perform mathematical operations on numeric values. So the arithmetic operator works primarily with numeric values, and we know that in numeric values we have the numeric data we are divided into two types. We have the floats and the integers, right? So we can now say safely that we primarily used the arithmetic operators on either float data type or integers data type. Yeah. And so again, we have another operator, the subtraction operator, which we use the dash symbol to symbolize. It performs subtraction operation just as in normal mathematics, subtracting a number from another number or more numbers from one or more numbers, right? So we can say 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1, and then we have 0, right? So you can you can use it to perform operation on either two or more values. So let's still have 5 minus 7. You see, it still gives us the value in the negative. So it works for both ways: positive number, negative numbers, decimal numbers, whole numbers. You use the arithmetic operations to perform operators on them. So another arithmetic operator we have is the multiplication operator, right? The multiplication operator is symbolized with the asterisk sign, and it's used to perform multiplication on numbers. So we can say 5 multiplied by, say, 5, we have 25, or we have 2.5 multiplied by 5. Then we have 12.5. Yeah. So the arithmetic operators basically perform operation on every kind of numeric data type, right? Then we have the division operator. The division operator is symbolized with the single backslash, right? So this division operator divides a number and return it to the floating point data type or the decimal point value. So let's say we had 45 divided by 2. It gives us 22.5. We have 40 divided by 2 or 45 divided by 5. So all the values are given in the decimal points. So all the values of this device are given in the decimal point, right? So that's what with this division operator. The floor function returns the result of a division in the nearest whole number. So it leaves out the fractional point or the decimal points, right? And returns only the whole number of the division. So let's have 45 floor function of 2 and we have 22, right? But let's go back to our division. When we divide 45 by 2, ideally we are supposed to have 22.5 because of course there is a residual or remainder of the division, but the floor function ignores the remainder of the division and just returns the whole number of the results, right? And then we have another operator, which is a modulus. The modulus is represented by the percentage sign. So this operator returns only the remainder of a division. So it returns only the remaining value from a division. So again, let's divide 45 modulus 2 and we have 1 because when 45 is divided by 2, we have a remainder of 1, right? So that's what the modulus does. It only returns, okay, I think I should write it, returns and so the exponential as it helps us to assign a number to a power to the power. So we raise to the power of something. So say we have 5 raised to the power of 2, 10 raised to the power of 5, right? So the exponential is used to raise a number to a power of to the power of another number. So let's say we have 10 raised to the power of 2. We have 100, and we could still have 100 raised to the power of 3. Oh, sorry, to the power of 3. So 100 raised to the power 100 raised to the power of 3, and we have 100 1,000,000, right? So that's it with the arithmetic operators. We use them to perform mathematical operation on numbers, and we have addition operator, we have the subtraction, multiplication, the division operator, which returns the result of a division In decimal points, we have the floor function, which returns only the whole number of a division. We also have the modulus, which only returns the remainder of a division. And then we have exponential, which is used to raise to a power, right? Used to raise to the powers. If you've come this far, I would love you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever a new video is being posted. And you can also help in spreading the gospel of Python by sharing this YouTube channel link to your friends. You can share the link to your acquaintances, to your schoolmates, your classmates, whoever you come across that you will love the person to also have some Python knowledge, right? So let us know hot knowledge. Please go all out, share this content to those you care so much about, and please keep tuned, right? So let's do this together. Thank you. See you in the next video.